Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ann Scarberry and I am so glad that you're here. I am gonna show you a few videos of a little bit of fall decor that I've added to our home. I'm just not feeling fall yet. I am in Central Florida on the Gulf Coast and it's a high 97 full humidity today, so I'm not complaining. It's just different than the Midwest fall that we are used to. So today I'm going to share with you some of our favorite fall entertainment type foods. Some of our favorite ways to snack at parties is a nice dip, and I have some savory along with some sweet in this video. I'm going to share with you 4 recipes that our family enjoys. But first, I need to eat a snack, so I'm putting together a quick bite to eat so I get some energy in me, and we're going to get going. Hope you enjoy. Up first is our Harvest Toffee Dip. This is such a good dip. Everyone loves it. I barely have any left whenever I take this anywhere. It's a popular one because it's sweet and it's kind of like a dessert. So let's get going. Now in this video, I am using Cool Whip. That is one of the things I try to steer away from. If you don't like to use Cool Whip, you could substitute for 1 cup of heavy whipping cream with a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Whip that together in your stand mixer, and you basically have the best version of Cool Whip you'll ever have in your life. So that is my great alternative to Cool Whip. But anyways, here I am making this just for the sake of time. In the stand mixer, I started with a block of cream cheese and a cup of powdered sugar. And then I did about 1.5 cups of Cool Whip. And then I just blended this until it's nice and smooth. And then you add an entire bag of the Heath bits from, you can get these in the grocery store by the chocolate chips. So that's where you can find them. You can make your own, and I'm going to make another video on that because these are climbing in price. I don't know why they're so expensive. And you can make your own. It's actually kind of easy. So anyways, I like to serve this cookie dip on a cookie board. And I've added apples here, some maple cream cookies. I love these ginger snap type cookies. And then I just added some other nuts and little chocolate bars and spice pretzels. I think they're pumpkin pie spiced pretzels. But that is our cookie dip. It's delicious. Try not to eat the entire bowl. Up next is a savory dip. It's super easy. It just includes everything you see here, and you put it all in a stand mixer. Now I like to grate my own cheddar cheese for everything. I just think it tastes so much better, and so I still needed to grate about 1 cup of that cheese. And that recipe is super easy. It was 1 can of the green chilies. It was 1 cup of mayo, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 package of taco seasoning, and I think I already said this, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Then you just mix this all together, and I put it in the fridge for a little while to let that just kind of marry a little bit better, and you're done. The best way to serve this is on a platter of Fritos. Up next is another sweet dip. This is our pumpkin pie dip, and it's of course delicious. It's 8 ounces of cream cheese, a cup of powdered sugar, which I forgot to put out here, a half a cup of pumpkin puree, some pumpkin pie spice, and 1.5 cups of the Cool Whip. Now this dip is pretty flavorful on its own, so I like to serve it with a little bit more bland flavors like an apple slice or a graham cracker. The cinnamon sugar graham crackers are very good in this dip. Actually, animal crackers are pretty good too. You just want something kind of on the bland side, not to compete with the dip. Now for our last dip is a hearty chili bean dip. This is so good. I've made this 3 times in the past 2 weeks. I just love this so much. It's a can of refried beans, a can of chili. I prefer it without beans, but I had it with beans. A block of cream cheese, a cup of pico de gallo, a can of green chilies, and I think that's it. I will post the recipe, of course. But put this all together in a saucepan and let all the flavors kind of cook together. It is so good. I like to serve this alongside some black bean chips. It is absolutely delicious and very filling. It makes a great light lunch. I hope you enjoyed these 4 recipes, and let me know in the comments which one you think you're going to try first. As always, my recipes are available on my website to print out on a gorgeous printable at annscarberry.com.